Welcome to another captivating journey with moments of love. Today, we are thrilled to introduce our newest marvel, the stunning color digital oil painting. Bring us any photo, whether it's a blurry vintage snapshot, a torn treasure, or you can even provide us with individual photos of each person, and we'll weave our magic to craft a stunning collage that seamlessly blends them together, creating the illusion of a single, harmonious snapshot. Our specialty lies in blending and restoring old photographs, breathing new life into them and transforming them into freshly captured images. Welcome to our gallery, where art comes to life and memories are reborn. Here, we take pride in our craft, offering an unparalleled selection of digital oil paintings and expert photo restoration services. With over 10,000 delighted customers across India, our work speaks for itself. Each stroke of our digital brush breathes new life into your cherished memories, preserving them for generations to come. From vibrant landscapes to intimate portraits, our digital oil paintings captivate the eye and stir the soul. Every brushstroke is meticulously crafted to evoke emotion and inspire wonder. From forgotten to unforgettable, Moments of Love revives your treasured photographs. Experience the magic of memories reborn as timeless art. Join us as we transform a faded photograph into a vibrant digital oil painting. Step 1. Assessment. Our journey begins with a thorough examination of the photo. We identify tears, faded colors, and missing details that tell the story of its age. Step 2. Digitization. We carefully scan the photo, creating a digital canvas. This is the foundation upon which we will rebuild and enhance the image. Step 3. Cleaning. With precision, we remove dust, scratches, and blemishes. Each stroke brings clarity, setting the stage for the transformation. Step 4. Restoration. Like piecing together a puzzle, we reconstruct missing elements. From the fabric of a dress to the twinkle in an eye, no detail is too small. Step 5. Colorization. We infuse life into the once monochrome image with rich, authentic colors, staying true to the era and the memories it holds. Step 6. Digital oil painting. Our artists skillfully apply digital brushstrokes, mimicking the texture and depth of traditional oil paintings. This is where art meets history. Step 7. Final touches. We refine the image, ensuring every brushstroke contributes to a harmonious masterpiece. The result is a stunning work of art that celebrates the legacy of the original photo. And when it comes to restoring old photographs, our skilled artisans work miracles. Faded hues are revived, tears are mended, and moments once lost are rediscovered in all their glory. But what truly sets us apart is the joy we bring to our customers. With each masterpiece we create, we don't just capture moments, we create memories that last a lifetime. So why settle for ordinary when you can experience the extraordinary? Visit our gallery today and let us turn your dreams into reality. Immerse yourself in an unmatched customer service experience. With our central hub and 2 branches situated in Hyderabad, and backed by over 1600 glowing 4.5-star Google reviews, we've had the pleasure of serving over 10,000 satisfied customers. Whether you choose to reach out via call or message on WhatsApp, rest assured that a dedicated customer service professional will be readily available to cater to your personalized gifting requirements. We take the extra step to provide you with a preview of your order request before finalization, ensuring you have a clear expectation of what to anticipate. Then, let us delight you with the final result. We've collaborated with trusted delivery services to guarantee the safe and careful handling of your delicate items, accompanied by courteous customer service and punctual delivery. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please visit our channel for more captivating content like this, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on our latest uploads and product releases.